bulls are getting frustrated, each desperate for a drink. Not a good time for a herd of thirsty females and their exhausted young. One calf is already on his last legs. He needs over 20 pints of milk a day, but his mother has run dry. His begging tests the patience of even the gentlest giants. None of the females have anything to give. Eventually, one of them's had enough. But the matriarch will not give up on him. She coaxes him back to his feet. Then signals the herd to get moving as they head off to where she knows there's food.